Oh, snap. Hey, I'm back. Hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom. Hey, I decided I was going to take this serious. If you don't know me, I'm the #1 OnlyFans trainer in the business. Want to know why? Because I've trained the most people and have created the most full-time content creators. That's why I'm #1. And if you're on this video and you begin to hate, I love you too. Please make sure you comment down below and like my video as well, because without you, I wouldn't be here. But for the people who are trying to take this OnlyFans business to the next level, we're going to talk about what I'm going to give you, because a lot of people are like, I need a free training. I need it to be great. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to train with me, where I'm going to go over everything I know about the business that you need to know to actually make money across this platform. Because I'm sorry, I watched a lot of these videos across YouTube, most of them, because I want to see what people are doing. They're giving you information, but it's kind of there, but it's not really there. But I can't shoot all of that video on YouTube because it'll be an hour long. So I'm going to give you a free training. But today we're going to go over the basics. So I'm going to drop some value on you so you can understand what it actually takes. And if you really want to do this, you need to go to onlyfanstraining.com, click the link in the bio down below, and you need to join the free training so I can go over all of it. But today we're going to go over the #1 free training, when you're going to work exactly with me, and I'm going to give you the chance to also do a Q&A and ask questions, because each of you creators are individuals and some things don't apply to you, but most things do. I've walked around this business for almost 2.5 years, and I've been trained over 4,000 people on this platform, so I really do know what it takes to succeed. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about today is the business of OnlyFans. OnlyFans is a business, and you need to understand that. It's like a child. You got to feed it, you got to take care of it, you got to change its diaper, you got to wake up when it's necessary, and you got to do the things for it, because if you decide not to pay attention to it, which is called negligence, something bad can happen to your business. But if you don't understand the business model, how can you build it at all? So we're going to talk about the business, which the business is the business of people, right? Your fans, the business of people. Okay, the second thing we're going to go over is, how do we grow our subscriber base? We have creators that go from 0 to 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000, making anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 in the first 2 months of them working with us. And we're going to check exactly how you do that. We're going to tell you where we get it from. We're going to show you how we do it, how we do the research, how we find this stuff. We're going to show you through and through. Third, keeping your fans. How to actually get them to stay on your platform. Because a lot of creators kind of know the business model. They can grow their subscriber base, but they can't keep them long enough to actually do anything with them. And then fourth, right here, how to make money. Because nobody's getting into this OnlyFans business not thinking about how to make money on the platform and how to sustain it. So I want to be able to go over all of these things. The first thing I want to talk to you about the business model. It's an everyday thing. You have to understand the full thread of how to get subscribers, how to keep the fans, and then how to make money with them. That's the business model. These 3 things are the business model that you have to understand. How do you actually grow subscribers? I'm going to tell you this right now. You need to exchange value for the work your subscribers are going to have to do to get onto the platform. And a lot of people don't do that. They just say, here's my link. But you have to exchange some sort of value to make someone actually go through the process. Have you ever signed up on OnlyFans? It's just not that easy. It's not that. It's not just, do click on there and they're in your profile. They got to fill out information. So what are they going to get in exchange for that? For you to grow your subscriber base. One, keep them. Why do people stay on the platform? Entertainment. How do you entertain them so they actually stay on the platform and they do not leave? We're going to show you and talk to you about that. And then fourth, how do you actually turn this subscriber into making you money where you can pay your bills? Because I know this is quarantine right now, and you're watching all these YouTubers talk about OnlyFans, but they're disappearing because a lot of them started off hot. They grew their subscriber base. They got them. They made money, but they didn't survive because they couldn't keep their fans. They didn't understand this. After 2.5 years on this platform, I do. And I'm going to drop that for you in a free training, where you actually get to talk to me and even get a Q&A at the end of it. So I need you to do something if you're watching this video right now. If you don't know me, go watch a bunch of videos and figure out who I am. But I need you to like this video. I need you to comment down below. And I need you to click the link, which is aka onlyfanstraining.com, and go sign up and join into the free training. I only have 2 courses and the spots do fill up. So it's not going to be a forever spot and it's not unlimited. So once the spot fills up, you can't join it until you get to the next one. So if you're right now, you're super serious about making money in this OnlyFans business, I'll see you at the free training. Let's go. I just want to dance.